Welcome. We are following this book. Today lectures on second chapter, the recording process. Problem set A, P21A, whole disc golf course. So problem set A, this P21A, whole disc golf course was opened on March 1 by in holes. The following selected events and transactions occurred during March. So March 1 invested $20,000 cash in the business. So for these transactions, and now we need to instructions analyze the March transaction. That means all the transactions we need to be analyzed. So here for this investment, cash will be increased. That means cash debit and owner's equity will be increased. That means owner's equity will be credit. So this is the transaction, cash debit and owner's capital credit. Number one. Number second, purchase Rainbow Golf land 15,000 cash. Price consists of land 12,000, shed 2,000 and equipment 1,000. Make one compound entry. So for these transactions, our land will be debit, shed will be debit and equipment will be debit, and cash will be credit 15,000. So this is the land debit, shed debit, equipment debit and cash credit. Okay, I think everybody is clear. March 5, paid advertising expenses 9,000. For this advertising expenses, all expenses increase debit. So here expenses debit, that means advertising expenses debit and cash credit. So this is the advertising expense, this is debit, that means this is debit side and this is credit side, and the cash credit, this figure. March 6, paid cash $600 for 1 year insurance policy. 1 year insurance policy, this is advance paid. So insurance, prepaid insurance will be debit and cash will be credit. So March 6, prepaid insurance debit 600 and cash credit 600. Okay. Now March 10, purchase golf discs and others equipment 1050 for Stephen Company, payable in 30 days. This is accounts payable. So we know that equipment debit and accounts payable credit. That means asset increases debit and liability increases credit. So here March 10, equipment debit and accounts payable credit. And in every transaction we have the brief explanation. That means this is the brief explanation. Okay, everybody is clear. 18 March 18, received 1,100 in cash for golf fees. Holds records golf fees as a service revenue. So we know that cash, that means we are getting cash debit and revenue credit. So this is March 18 transaction, cash debit $1,100 and service revenue credit $1,100. Then 19, sold 150 coupons books for 10 each. Each book contains 4 coupons that enable the holder to pay 1 round to disc golf. That means total coupon price 150 multiplied by 10. So total 1,500. Okay, this coupon just we have sold but not use this coupon by the holder, not use this coupon by the holder. So here it will be our unearned revenue. So we are getting cash, so sold 150 coupon books for 10 each. So for this transaction our cash will be debit these figures, and unearned service revenue will be credit. When they use this coupon, that times it will be actual service revenue. Okay. Now March 25, withdrew 800 cash for personal use. So for this we do our cash will be withdrew must debit and cash credit. So this is our owner's drawing debit and cash credit, this figure. Now paid salaries. So salaries expenses increase debit and cash credit. This is paid. That means cash credit. So here March 30, salary expense debit and our cash credit. These figures. And now paid Stephen Company in full. You know that this is the Stephen Company transaction 10. So full, that means 150. When we collect purchased this equipment, that times our equipment debit and just our accounts payable credit. So now we are paying the Stephen in full. So now account payable will be debit. Okay, credit increases credit and decreases debit, and just we are paying. So for paying our cash will be credit. Okay, so this is the transaction. Accounts payable 1050, this is debit, and cash credit, that means we are paying cash. And then receive 2700 cash for golf fees. So this is received, that we have received revenue. So for this revenue our cash will be debit and revenue will be credit according to rules. So the cash will be debit and service revenue will be credit. So according to question, the whole disc golf uses the following accounts. This is the head of the accounts: cash, prepaid insurance, land, building, equipment, accounts payable, unearned service revenue, owner's capital, owner's drawings, service revenue, advertising expense, and salaries and wages expense. So instruction was analyze the March transactions. Already we have done these transactions. This is the general journal, a whole disc golf course. So that's all today. Thanks. Our next lecture on problem set A, P2, 2A. Emily Valley is a licensed dentist. Thanks.